Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to study about chapter 6 Food and Health from the science book. Till now we have learned about the importance of food. Why food is important for us? Because we cannot live, we cannot survive without food. And food gives us energy to work and play. We all do work because of food only, because it gives us energy. Then we have learned about the sources of food. Children, every time I am doing revision so that you can learn easily, you can remember the things nicely. Next is sources of food, means from where we get the food. We get food from the plants and animals. Different types of foods and different type of eatable things we get from the animals. Then we have learned about the importance of milk. Why milk is important for everyone? Because it helps us to grow and it makes our bones and teeth healthy. We have learned also about the meals of the day. We should eat 3 times meal at the regular interval. First, we should take breakfast in the morning. Then we take lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. We have also learned about the vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Now, who are non-vegetarians? The people who eat both products which we are getting from the plants and animals. We get many things from plants and many things from the animals. Those people who eat all the products getting from plants and animals are called non-vegetarians. And those people do not eat meat and some other products getting from animals, they are called vegetarians. Okay children, now today we will learn about the healthy food and the junk food. Children, whatever we eat, food getting from the plants or animals, they are healthy food. We get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables from the plants and meat, egg, milk, honey. These we get from the animals. So, or dal, rice, all type of vegetables, all type of fruits, nuts, meat, egg, milk, all these things are healthy foods. All these things are healthy food and we should take it in our meal properly. If we are vegetarian, so we can take dal, vegetables, fruits, rice, milk in our food. If we are non-vegetarians, then we can take beside this dal, rice, vegetables, fruits. Beside this, we can take chicken, egg, etc. So, if we are vegetarian or non-vegetarian, it doesn't matter. We should take proper food, healthy food. Healthy food which makes our body healthy, strong and free from sickness. If we will be healthy, if we are strong, we will not get sick. So we should take healthy food in our meals. Now, what are junk food? Children, you can identify these pictures. What are these? You may like it. Yes, chips, ice cream, burger, pizza. Every child likes all these food. But children, these are not good food. These are junk food. Chips, ice cream, burgers, pizzas are called junk food or fast food. They may be tasty, but they are not good for health, isn't it? They are very tasty. Everyone like to eat it. But these things are not healthy food. These things are called junk food or fast food. Okay, this may be tasty. Yes, of course, they are very tasty in eating, but they are not good for our health. They do not give us energy. They make us fatty. They make us lazy. They do not prevent us, save us from the diseases. So, children, you must not eat these foods regularly. If you like to eat, you can eat once a month or twice a month. That is enough, but not in your every meal. You should not take them in your meal. Sometimes children don't want to eat chapati. They don't want to take rice and vegetables, dal, and they like to eat pizza, burger, and sandwiches. These things. But this make them very weak, and they will become sick. So today what we have learned? We have learned very important things, that what are the healthy foods? Healthy foods make us strong, energetic, and free. They keep us free from the diseases, free from the sickness. And what are the junk foods? Junk foods may be tasty, but they are not good for your health. So you should not take them regularly. Okay, children? Now this is enough for today. Now I am showing you one video. I hope you all will enjoy it.
Eat healthy, stay healthy. Long time ago, a family lived in a city, and grandparents, along with their mummy papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani, were there in their family. Both the kids were very much fond of junk food. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat any fruit or vegetable.
No, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all.
We like only pizza and burger.
But children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, then your eyesight will become poor. And you have to wear specs in such a small age.
But they never used to listen to their mother.
No, we don't like vegetable and fruits.
One day, their mother explained them very lovingly.
Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time.
Mother's affectionate words convinced Himani to eat fruit and vegetables.
Okay, Mom. From now, I will eat fruit and vegetable every day.
But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother.
No, Mom. I like pizza burger. Therefore, I will eat that only.
Now, mother stopped explaining Himanshu, and many days passed. Himani started eating fruit and vegetables daily, and Himanshu, like before, ate only pizza and burger. One day, Himanshu's teacher asked him in school,
Himanshu, come on, solve the question on blackboard.
When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily scolded Himanshu when he was unable to answer.
Himanshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I'll call your parents to school right now.
Teacher left the classroom after saying this. She made a phone call, and after some time, Himanshu's mummy papa came to school.
I had asked Himanshu very simple question. But Himanshu could not solve as easy question as 2 plus 2.
What, Himanshu? You don't even know answer of such an easy question?
It seems you aren't studying well these days.
No, Mom. I know very well. 2 plus 2 adds up to 4.
So why didn't you answer your teacher's question?
The reason was I wasn't able to see what's written on board.
I told you before, you should eat vegetable and fruits. See, your eyesight became so weak. If like Himani you had listened to me, then your eyesight wouldn't have been so poor.
Sorry, Mom. From today I will eat vegetables and fruits daily.
By seeing Himanshu's crying like this, his mummy understood that Himanshu has now realized his mistake. She consoled Himanshu and said,
It's fine, Himanshu. Stop crying now. But if you eat vegetables and fruits daily, then it may be possible that your eyesight may become perfect again.
So till then, I shall buy good spectacles for you.
After listening to his mummy papa, Himanshu stopped crying and his father got his spectacles made. Like this, by eating fruit and vegetables, Himani's eyesight remained normal. And by not eating fruit and vegetables, Himanshu had to wear spectacles.